Hello everyone, welcome back to Cherry Theory. My name is Melancy and today I am here to share two Chinese idioms with you guys. So the first one is 虚张声势, bluff. It's basically describing when somebody using fake movements and fake strength to threaten somebody. So example number one, the news was a bluff. 这则新闻是虚张声势。And or you can say the letter was a bluff. 这封信是虚张声势。Example number two, he said he would resign if he did not get any more money, but it was only a bluff. 他说如果不给他加薪，他就辞职，但那不过是虚张声势而已。The second Chinese idiom is called 将计就计. It's described that you using the same strategy that somebody else used to you, but you use the same thing back at him. You can say like this, beat someone or somebody at his own game. 贾诩 suggests that they can beat Cao Cao at his own game. Bob suggests that they can use the same strategy, beat Jeff at his own game. All of those idioms are very commonly used in Chinese language. I hope you guys leave your comment on the second one and try to translate or say it or think about how to say it in Chinese. Okay? I will see you guys on my next episode. Bye bye!